Hey, Steve here. I'm going to show you today how to reset the oil life or maintenance minder on a 2020 Honda HRV. We're just going to turn the key on. Engine doesn't have to be running, just key on. We're going to look at this on the steering wheel controls. If you have steering wheel controls in this model, it's going to be there. You can just click the up arrow. We're going to get through to vehicle settings. On that, click the middle button, select reset button. That's going to give you some more options. We're going to go to maintenance info, and then it's going to give you automatically cancel. It's going to show the maintenance that's due. We can cancel or reset just with that up arrow again. Hit the middle button to reset. Reset completed. All done. Then you just exit out. Oil life's at 100%. Back to whatever menu you want, and you're all done. Nice and simple. Away you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.